What's up, all my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin. This is Touchdown Trades. I'm your trading BFF, your stock market bestie, and in today's video, we're going to be discussing my top 2 long-term buy and hold penny stocks. That's right. These 2 penny stocks, in my opinion, have massive upside potential. I think both of these penny stocks have more than 100% upside potential. And in today's video, we're going to be breaking down the 2 penny stocks, breaking down the companies, the business models, and I'll discuss my thesis on why I believe these 2 penny stocks are undervalued and offer high upside potential. It's not often that you see these type of opportunities in the penny stock world. Both of these companies are legitimate companies. A lot of time in the penny stock investing world, you have to invest in kind of suspect companies. That is not the case with these 2 penny stocks. They're both legit companies that have been beaten down and I believe to be undervalued. So we're going to take a deep dive, take a hard look at these penny stocks. I'll discuss my personal thesis on why I believe they're about to explode and they offer huge long-term potential. Now, these aren't swing trades. These aren't buy and sell 2 weeks down the road for a profit. In my opinion, these are buy and hold type of investments, long-term investments. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing down below and hitting that notification bell to get alerted every time I post a video. Also, I just ask one favor. That's right, one small favor, and that's to like the button. Give the like button the old touchdown trades. Snake eye jab in the eyes. All right, so let's jump into these penny stocks, my top 2 penny stocks, and let's break them down. And as always, let's secure the bag by making sound investments and smart trades. Let's get it. All right, my trader and investor homies, let's talk about these 2 penny stocks, my top 2 penny stocks to buy and hold for long-term growth. These are 2 undervalued penny stocks that have 100% upside potential in my opinion. Let's talk about why I think so. The first stock is going to be CNTY. This is Century Casinos. This is a casino company, obviously. And if we take a quick look at the daily chart, we can see that this stock was absolutely demolished when the Rhinoceros Rex first came and showed its face. It went from over $8 a share and sold off to $1 a share. All the travel, casinos, leisure, restaurants, all of the leisure industry was absolutely wrecked, and this CNTY was no exception. And we've seen a spike in cases around the country, and the market has sold off the last few weeks. The last couple of weeks, the market's been really weak, and this stock has sold off from around 7, and now it's trading at 450. I think the CNTY is extremely undervalued and it is not priced correctly. Let's talk about why I believe that. But before we get started, check out the link in the description after this video is over. If you like free money, you like free stocks, check out Webull. There's a link in the bio. When you use my link and deposit $100, you get 3 free stocks valued up to $1,600. You can't beat it. It's the best offer out there right now. Check it out after this video is over. Century Casinos, CNTY, is a casino company with locations around the United States, Poland, and other countries. In the United States, their locations are in Pennsylvania, Mississippi, Louisiana. Let's check them out. They offer both racetracks and casinos. Century Casinos was founded in 1992, has been listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange under the symbol CNTY since 1994. They offer exciting entertainment and award-winning casinos at our racetracks, horse betting parlors, sports books, hotels, restaurants, bars, showrooms, event venues, comedy clubs, bowling alleys, indoor mini golfs, etc. Let's take a look at some of their locations, their destinations. We have the Mountaineer Casino Racetrack and Resort. This is located in West Virginia, 1 hour from downtown Pittsburgh. Central Casino, Cape Girardeau, a dockside casino featuring 41,000 square feet of casino space. This one is located in Missouri. We also have a riverboat casino located along the Mississippi River in Missouri. They have a lot of locations around the United States, some being just racetracks, some being casinos, some being just sports books. They have a huge variety of sports betting, gambling, horse betting, that type of offering. Their casinos are opening back up. They successfully reopened live table games in Canada and Central City, Colorado. So they're getting these casinos back up and running. Their casino located in Colorado was voted Denver's best casino. Century Casinos partners with Tipico for internet sports betting in Colorado. We know this is huge business, and this is why I'm so high on this CNTY stock, because the sports betting aspect of the company is not yet priced into the stock. The stock is trading at a discounted price because of having to shut down due to the Rhinoceros Rex, and it's been beaten down. So not only are we getting the casino aspect of this company at a discounted price, the sports betting aspect and the revenue growth incorporated with that sports betting aspect is not yet priced into the stock. The sports betting growth in the United States is absolutely massive since the United States Supreme Court struck down the law making betting on sports illegal in the United States, which was done in 2018. They said that it was unconstitutional and that the states should be able to determine whether it is illegal or illegal. More than $20 billion has been bet around the United States. And this CNTY stock knows this, obviously, that they need to get in this game and take a piece of the pie. They're not going to be one of the biggest players initially in the online sports betting industry, but they are going to be a player. They got a license in Colorado. They're partnering with a company that knows the industry. And I think we're going to see this company making a push in other states, trying to get licenses and getting their feet in this, getting their toes dipped in this multi-billion-dollar industry. Let's take a quick glance at the numbers, and we can see that we have a forward price to earnings of just 10. So the forward price to earnings ratio is looking very good, the forward PE, which gives you an idea of whether the growth and the stock price are aligning, and the forward PE here is telling me that this stock is undervalued. Also, if we look at the price to sales ratio, it is under 0.6. So we have a price to sales ratio of 0.59. We had sales last year of these sales are more than the market cap. We had sales last year of 243 million, and we have a market cap of 144 million. And to me, that's not aligning. I think this stock right now is being priced as a company that's having to shut down a lot of their locations, and they're not going to have the same revenue as they had last year. But to me, I really don't care, because I believe the company will make it out on the other side. We are all going to see a lot of these companies that are underpriced right now because of the Rhinoceros make it out alive and get back to the revenue that they had pre-Rhinoceros. So I think this is one of those companies, and I also believe the sports betting is not yet priced in. I got the monthly chart pulled up. Let's take a look at the technical analysis. And something I noticed right quick is the RSI. Not only is this stock underpriced from a fundamental perspective, but it's also looking good on the chart as well from a technical analysis perspective. Let's just take a quick look at the RSI. Anytime the RSI in the last 10 years was trading below this median line right here, we have seen a buying opportunity. In 2003, we were trading below the median line on the monthly chart, looking at the RSI, and we were trading at about $2. It then had a huge run up and ran up over $10 per share. Then once again, we broke the median line and we had multiple buying opportunities. If you had just cost average down, you held for a couple years and it ran up about, about 800% over the next couple of years. Right here, we traded below the median line on the RSI. We ran up almost 100%. And right now, we are trading below the median line on the RSI, and I see this as a buying opportunity. I think in the next 24 to 36 months, we're trading at $12 per share. So I think we have almost 300% upside potential on this CNTY. This is an all green lights buy in my opinion. I think it's undervalued because of fears of the Rhinoceros having another shutdown, which I don't think we're going to have, and also sports betting not being incorporated into the future revenue growth. Let's get it. Stock number two. Stock number two is going to be ticker symbol IGT, International Game Technology. This is another casino stock, but a little bit different, as this is not a company directly in the casino. They're not a casino company per se. They provide the casinos with the slot machines and the technology to be able to run the slot machines. So we can see that, like many other casino companies, this stock was crushed by the Rhinoceros, dropping from $14 a share all the way down to less than $4 a share. We recovered pretty nicely, ran back up to $12, and now we're trading back under $8 a share with a spike in cases, with a spike in fear, resulting in a drop in the stock's price. I believe this to be a little bit of an overreaction, and let's discuss that. So like I said, this is a company involved in making slot machines, that type of thing, gaming services for the casino industry, electronic table games, the components to slot machines, industry-leading hardware solutions. IGT's passion and commitment to innovation permeate every product category within IGT's vast solutions portfolio. We view innovation as a meaningful driver of our customers' growth in that of the gaming industry as a whole. So let's take a look at the games that they offer. So they have a vast array of different slot machines, skill-based games, video poker, that type of thing. A press release that I found very interesting is that this company realized that the Rhinoceros Rex is maybe going to be here for a little while and we need to adapt accordingly, and they are outfitting some of their casino slot machine games in New York State to be contactless. So no longer do you have to put in a cash to the casino game in order to be able to play. You can get a card that you just tap on the slot machine, and then it uploads with the amount of money that you want to play with. So it makes it contactless, more safe to play, and this is going to maybe be able to allow some casinos to stay open and not have to shut down, right? So this company has been beaten down because if casinos aren't open, then they don't have anybody to sell these slot machines to. It doesn't matter how good your slot machines are, how good the software is. If the casinos are shut down, they are not going to be buying any slot machines to add to their floor, to the floor of the casino. It's just obvious. 1 + 1 = 2. But in my opinion, this is a little bit of an overreaction. Over the last couple of weeks, we have seen a decrease by more than 40% in the stock's price, and I believe this to be an overreaction. Last year, this is a company that saw almost $4 billion in total revenue, and we're currently at a market cap of less than $2 billion. Obviously, this year we're not going to hit that $4 billion in revenue because of all the casino shutdowns, but I think 3-4 years from now, we get right back to that pre-Rhinoceros Rex revenue. So I look at this chart and we have a very nice area of support right here at the 750 area that we're currently coming into and testing. So I see that area as a buying level and a nice area to risk off of. I'm putting a 24-month price target of $13 per share on this IGT stock. I think the upside is there. The company's fundamentals are there. And I think the casino industry is not going away anytime soon. Sure, it's been hurt by the Rhinoceros, but it's going to come back. People aren't stopping gambling. That is a fact. Gambling is here to stay, and these casinos will get right back to where they were pre-pandemic, right? It's going to happen. It may be a year from now, maybe 2 years from now, and that's why I believe this is a longer-term investment, because it may be a while before their numbers come back. First, the casinos are going to have to get back open, and then they're going to have to start buying more games from this IGT. So it's going to take a while, but I think the risk reward is there with this IGT. All right, that's going to wrap things up, guys. I hope you guys got something from it. If you did, do me a favor and smash that like button. Go down there and like the button. If you're not yet a subscriber, what are you waiting on? What the real question is, if you're not yet a subscriber, what in the world are you waiting on? All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace.